Manchester United is one of Britain's most valuable sporting assets, with a long history of accumulating trophies and over 1 billion fans worldwide. Recently, the American owners of Manchester United, the Glazer family, announced that they were exploring selling the club, sparking a multi-billion-dollar bidding war. Despite all the rumors, there are currently only two confirmed bidders for the club: British billionaire Jim Ratcliffe and Qatari Sheikh Jassim bin Hamad Al Thani. Sheikh Jassim, a lifelong Manchester United fan, made a bid for 100% of Manchester United on February 17th, seeking to return the club to its former glories. His bid would effectively take the club private again, eliminating all the debt and buying out everyone that owns shares in Manchester United, including the Glazer family. Several fan groups, as well as the human rights organization Fairscare, have raised concerns about Sheikh Jassim's bid, as he is a member of the Qatari royal family, and his ties with or independence from the Qatari state have major implications for his bid. To ensure the integrity of UEFA competitions, including the Champions League, UEFA rules stipulate that no individual or legal entity may have control or influence over more than one club participating in the competition. Paris Saint-Germain, which regularly competes in the Champions League alongside United, is owned by Qatar Sports Investment QSI, the country's sovereign wealth fund. Sheikh Jassim said in his statement that he is funding the sale through his own foundation, an organization without any digital footprint. Meanwhile, the bank he chairs, QIB, is a separate entity to QSI, although there are some links between the two organizations.